Crash Course on Guam, USA. Welcome to a crash course on Guam, a vibrant island territory in the western Pacific Ocean. Let's delve into the fascinating details of this unique destination. Geo Location. Guam is located in Micronesia, a region in the western Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and southernmost island of the Mariana Islands archipelago. Capital. The capital city of Guam is Hagåtña, formerly known as Agana. Located on the western shore of the island, Hagåtña serves as the political and cultural center of Guam. Population. As of 2021, Guam has an estimated population of around 167,000 people. The island is known for its diverse population, with influences from Chamorro, Filipino, and other Asian cultures, as well as the presence of U.S. military personnel. Economy. Tourism, military installations, and federal government spending are key contributors to Guam's economy. The island's stunning beaches, historical sites, and unique cultural experiences attract visitors from around the world. Education. Guam boasts a well-established education system with a range of public and private schools. The University of Guam, located in Mangalao, offers higher education opportunities and serves as a center for research and cultural preservation. Brief history. Guam has a rich and complex history, with influences from indigenous Chamorro culture and the presence of Spanish, Japanese, and American colonial powers. In 1898, the United States gained control of Guam during the Spanish-American War, and it has remained a U.S. territory since then. Cultures and politics. Chamorro culture, with its vibrant traditions, language, and arts, forms an integral part of Guam's identity. The island also embraces multiculturalism, showcasing Filipino, Japanese, and other Asian influences. Politically, Guam is an unincorporated territory of the United States, with a non-voting delegate in the U.S. House of Representatives. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions that make Guam an exciting destination. 1. Tuman Bay, a popular tourist area with stunning beaches, luxury resorts, shopping centers, and a lively nightlife. 2. Two Lovers Point, a scenic lookout offering panoramic views of the coastline and a legend of forbidden love. 3. Seti Bay Overlook, a vantage point providing breathtaking views of Seti Bay and its surrounding cliffs. 4. War in the Pacific National Historical Park, commemorates the World War II battles fought on Guam, featuring historical sites and exhibits. 5. Ritidian Point, a nature reserve known for its pristine beaches, diverse wildlife, and ancient Chamorro archaeological sites. 6. Fort Nuestra Señora de la Soledad, a Spanish fortification dating back to the 17th century, showcasing Guam's colonial history. 7. Chamorro Village, a cultural hub offering local cuisine, traditional crafts, and live performances, providing a glimpse into Chamorro traditions. 8. Inarajan Natural Pool, a natural rock pool where visitors can swim and enjoy the scenic surroundings. 9. Guam Museum, showcasing the island's history, culture, and art through interactive exhibits and displays. 10. Latte Stone Park, features ancient Chamorro latte stone pillars, symbols of traditional Chamorro architecture. 11. Fish Eye Marine Park, an underwater observatory that allows visitors to view Guam's vibrant marine life without getting wet. 12. Asan Beach Park, a serene beach park with historical significance, serving as a memorial to the American forces that recaptured Guam during World War II. In summary, Guam offers a unique blend of natural beauty, diverse cultures, and historical significance. From its pristine beaches and captivating landmarks to its rich history and cultural heritage, Guam is a destination that promises an unforgettable experience. And now, as requested, here is a poem about Guam. In the heart of the Pacific, where oceans collide, lies Guam, a paradise with beauty so wide. Chamorro traditions and legends unfold, as tales of resilience and history are told. Tuman Bay beckons with crystal clear shores, whispering waves and sand that enchants and restores. Two Lovers Point, a symbol of love's enduring flame, overlooking the cliffs, where hearts eternally claim. Seti Bay's Overlook, a breathtaking sight, nature's masterpiece, a pure delight. War in the Pacific Park, where history comes alive. Honoring bravery in the battles survivors strive. Ritidian Point, where ancient secrets reside. Archaeological wonders and nature's pride. Chamorro village embraces with warmth and cheer. Flavors and dances that bring cultures near. From Fort Soledad to Lotte Stone Park, where colonial echoes leave their mark. The Guam Museum, a gateway to the past. Unveiling stories, ensuring memories last. Fish Eye Marine Park, a world beneath the sea. With colorful wonders, a sight to decree. Asan Beach Park, a place of serenity and peace. Honoring heroes, a symbol that will never cease. Guam, an island of dreams and cherished shores. Where cultures converge and adventure soars. Embrace the beauty, let your spirit roam. In Guam's embrace, find your island home. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 = 79893335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.